Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, compact spare tire. Come take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.